This isn't just tea. It's a handcrafted invitation into the heart of South Carolina. This is the Market Sampler Box. 12 artisan teas sealed in a custom wooden box. And the moment you open it, the aroma alone will stop you in your tracks. Everything here is intentional, from the vintage murals to the steeping instructions, all proudly grown and processed in the USA. Even the sticker feels like a love letter to slow living. Table Rock Tea is more than just a brew. It's place, it's peace, it's a small batch experience grown with purpose and steeped in story. Table Rock Tea Company, American grown, American made. Sip intentionally.